We have an issue with some of our panels of temporal flexing. It's a very minor issue, but it's very real. In the cold weather, the plastic in the backing material wants to shrink down, which will cause the panel to bow outward. So in order to get away from this outwarding bow, you need to, one, bring the panels inside, get them acclimated to the room temperature. That will help limit the bowing. When you take the panel outside, cut it, bring it back in, let it sit inside and acclimate itself back down to limit that. We can also use, as before, we talked about the two-part epoxies to help hold in the center. But the next thing you can do is the cargo braces or third hands. These things work great in bracing your panels. So when you get these, you get your panels up in place. What you're going to do is set your panel in place, and you just take the ratcheting hand and pop it into place so it locks it in. At this point, you take a level and make sure you're not going too far into the panel, creating a caved-in bow as opposed to an outward bow. All right, with the cargo brace, it's a little different. You want to bring your handle up, and you can slide this freely back and forth. So you want to slide it out to approximately where you need to be. Get it braced in place. You're going to release the trigger, and then just ratchet it into place.